Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 244, and today we start off our week-long Christmas extravaganza, 7 box breaks in 7 days, with a hobby box of 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. We're still hunting the Cale Makar Young Guns. I have only done 1 or 2 boxes on the channel. I think I ended up doing 1 on release, but we're giving it a go here again to kick off Christmas week extravaganza. And man, would the Makar Young Guns be the way to kick it off. Today we got box number 711. 711 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. Let's go. Let's see that Cale Makar Young Guns. Or even better, let's see an exclusive high gloss or clear cut. Or exclusive clear cut, you know, something fancy since we're doing a hobby box. That would be a heck of a way to start Christmas week extravaganza. Let's go, first pack. We have an OPC Marquee Rookie Black, Joakim Nygard. Joakim Nygard Black Marquee Rookie. 83 of 100. Didn't realize the black ones were numbered, but they are. Joakim Nygard Marquee Rookie. 83 of 100. Interesting way to start off. OPC Retro, Joe Pavelski. Joe Pavelski. Looks like we've got our first Young Guns here. I asked for him, and he come out. Young Guns, Cale Makar, let's go. What a way to start off Christmas week extravaganza. Young Guns, Cale Makar, pack 3. Even though he has dropped in price since release, I will throw that in a one-touch. What a way to start off Christmas week extravaganza. Box break number 244, the first break of 7 this week. Young Guns, Cale Makar. What a way to kick her off. As now we have a bunch of packs that are probably not going to deliver much exciting. UD Canvas, Matthew Barzal. Marquee Rookie Elvis Merzlikins. UD Portraits Rookies Rudolph's Balsers. Let's go to the top. Should we maybe try SPA tomorrow? See if we can pull in the car Future Watch. You know what? We have 2 hits here. We have a Young Guns Emil Bemstrom. And behind that we have a UD Canvas printing plate of Elias Pettersson. Holy crap, what a box. 1 of 1 Elias Pettersson UD Canvas printing plate. Oh man, what a box. What a way to start off the Christmas week extravaganza. We're starting off with 2 one-touch cards. And I was completely wrong when I said this box likely would not deliver anything else exciting. 1920 Upper Deck Series 2 delivering today. Holy, what a box. Do we really need to continue opening? 2 one-touch cards in a series box. Wow, that is something I didn't think I would ever do. Blue Marquee Rookie, Klim Kostin. Klim Kostin, Blue Marquee Rookie. Man, I can't believe the printing plate came in the same pack as a Young Guns. Man, could you imagine if you would have opened one single pack and that was the pack you opened? OPG, Artemi Panarin. The only thing that would have been crazier is one pack and having both those. Since, hey, if the Pettersson printing plate can show up with a Young Guns, imagine if it would have been with the Makari Young Guns. UD Canvas, Seth Jones. Seth Jones. Looks like we have another Young Guns here. Julian Gauthier. Young Guns, Julian Gauthier. Probably doesn't sell for much, but he's a decent player. I think he could have a pretty decent future. Man, this has been quite the box. And we're not even halfway done yet. UD Portraits Rookies, Nikita Gusev. With that pack, we are now halfway done. Wow. What a box. A very nice early Christmas present to me. Starting the Christmas week extravaganza. Marquee Rookies, Martin Feravy. Not sure yet what I'll be opening tomorrow. Possibly 1920 SPA. Maybe try for another. See if we can go back to back with Makar, as we have a Marquee Rookie of Cody Glass. Looks like we got another Young Guns here. German Rubstoff. German Rubstoff, Young Guns. Young Guns Canvas, Adam Boquist. Well, that's a pretty decent canvas. Young Guns Canvas, Adam Boquist. What a box. Man, all we need now is a high gloss. And if there's a high gloss in this box, I don't even know how I would react, because I have never pulled a high gloss. Marquee Rookie, Capo Caco. Final pack from the bottom left stack. UD Portraits Rookie, Dominic Kubalik. Dominic Kubalik Portraits. I think we should still have one more. Yes, we do have a Young Guns in this pack. At least one more Young Gun to go. Haven't really been counting the Young Guns with all the heat that we've been pulling in this box. Rem Pitlick, Young Guns. Rem Pitlick. Not sure if that is Young Gun number 5 or number 6. Marquee Rookie, Nick Suzuki. UD Canvas, Mats Zuccarello. Mats Zuccarello. 3 packs to go. And what a box this has been. This has got to be the most fun I have ever had ripping a box of series. UD Portraits, Nicholas Haig. Got another Young Guns here, so this has to be Young Guns number 6. Beck Malenstein. Beck Malenstein, Young Guns. And final pack of what has been a fabulous box of 1920 Series 2. We finish off with a clear-cut base Mark-Edward Vlasic. Mark-Edward Vlasic. Clear-cut base. Wow. What a box. Holy. And that is by far the most fun I have ever had ripping a series box. Let's do a quick recap because this box was fabulous from start to finish. We started with a black Marquee Rookie 83 of 100 Joakim Nygard. OPC Retro Joe Pavelski. UD Canvas Matthew Barzal. Marquee Rookie Elvis Merzlikins. UD Portraits Rookies Rudolphs Balser. Young Guns Emil Bemstrom. That is one Young Gun there. Marquee Rookie Blue Klim Kostin. OPC Artemi Panarin. Young Guns Canvas Seth Jones. Young Guns Julian Gauthier. That's 2 Young Guns. UD Portraits Rookies Nikita Gusev. Marquee Rookie Martin Feravy. OPC Marquee Rookie Cody Glass. Young Guns German Rubstoff. Young Guns Canvas Adam Boquist. Marquee Rookie Capo Caco UD Portraits rookie Dominic Kubalik. Young Guns Rem Pitlick. Marquee rookie Nick Suzuki. UD Canvas Matt Zuccarello. UD Portraits rookies Nicholas Hague. Young Guns Beck Melenstein. And a clear-cut base Mark Edward Vlasic was our final pack. So we did only get 6 Young Guns. A Young Guns canvas. I had a feeling we hit 7 Young Guns actually with how much fire we were pulling. It just seemed like everything was straight heat, but got our 5 Young Guns there. The other good stuff. But the 2 hits of the break, man, I don't even know which one to take first. Never thought I'd say this, but not the hit of the box. Young Guns Cale Makar. Young Guns Cale Makar, not the hit of the box in my opinion. What a box this was. 6 Young Guns, a Young Gun canvas, a clear-cut base, and a printing plate. The first of the 6 Young Guns to come out of the packs from pack number 3, Young Guns Cale Makar. Sorry, Cale, but I gotta give the hit of the box to the UD Canvas Printing Plate 101, Elias Pettersson. Man, I wish these printing plates were autoed in series. That would actually make series a lot of fun if the printing plates were especially if they were hard signed, because this card would be absolutely dynamite with a hard signed auto on it. UD Canvas Printing Plate Elias Pettersson 101. I gotta give this as hit of the break. Holy, what a box. Wow. Wow, what a box. Young Guns, Cale Makar, and a UD Canvas Printing Plate of Elias Pettersson. Folks, this is starting us off here. Christmas week extravaganza. 7 straight days of box breaks. This being the first one. Break number 244. 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. Young Guns, Cale Makar, and a UD Canvas Printing Plate, Elias Pettersson. That is only the second printing plate I've ever pulled from a box of series. And the other one was on the channel too. I believe it was the 6-pack Saturday. But, man, 2 big hits from 1920 Upper Deck Series 2 to kick us off. Christmas week extravaganza. Box breaks every day this week, and then a loaded 6-pack Saturday to go along with the final box break from Christmas week extravaganza. So there's plenty of content to look forward to this week. Let's hope all the box breaks this week are just as good as this one. That would be unreal. Man, what a break. What a box. 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. Folks, thanks for tuning in. If you did enjoy this break, feel free to leave a like, comment below. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. There's lots of content to look forward to. Lots of content to come. Box breaks every day this week, so definitely subscribe if you aren't already. Christmas week extravaganza. What a way to start off. Man, wow. Merry early Christmas, folks.